Hi friends, my name is Sakshi Shindle.
And my name is Shankari Kokle.
Today we are going to discuss about the geometric interpretation of sum, subtraction, product and the division of complex number. The geometric interpretation of addition of complex numbers. The complex numbers, firstly we are going to understand what is the complex numbers. Complex numbers are the addition of imaginary and the real parts. Let z1 is equals to x1 plus I y1. This is the complex number. We are taking two complex numbers represented by the points P and Q on the Argand diagrams. First is z1 is equals to x1 plus I y1 and the z2 is equals to x2 plus I y2. Draw PK, QL, Rn perpendiculars on the OX. Also draw Pn perpendicular to the Rn. See the Argand diagram. Argand diagram means a diagram on which complex numbers are represented geometrically using Cartesian axis. The horizontal coordinate representing the real parts and the vertical coordinate representing the imaginary parts. Then we are taking OM. The distance between O and M is the addition of OK plus KM. The KM and the OL are on equal distance, so we can take the KM as equals to OL. So the OM is equals to OK plus KM is equals to OK plus OL. The coordinate of P on K is x1 and y1. So we can take the distance OK on coordinate x1 plus x2 and the Rm is equals to Mn plus Nr is equals to Kp plus Lq is equals to y1 plus y2. We are considering quadrilateral LMRQ. In this Rm is equals to Mn plus Rn. The Kp is parallel to Mn and the Nr is parallel to QL. So we can take it as a Mn plus Nr is equals to Kp plus Lq. The Q's coordinates are x2 and y2 and the P's coordinate are x1 and y1. These are vertically on y axis, so we can take it as a y1 plus y2. The coordinates of R are x1 plus x2 and the y1 plus y2, and it represents the complex number. Complex number we are represented as the a plus ib. The imaginary parts is comes with the I and the real parts is the number. x1 plus x2 plus I y1 plus y2 is equals to x1 plus I y1 plus x2 plus I y2. Thus the two complex numbers is represented by extremity of the diagonals of the parallelogram formed by the OP as a z1 and OQ as the z2 as adjacent sides. Mod of z1 and z2 is equals to over, and the amplitude of the z1 plus z2 is equals to angle ROM. We take one example for better understanding. We are taking two complex numbers. Z1 is equals to 2 plus 3 by 2i and the z2 is equals to minus 5 plus 7 by 4i. For taking addition, we are separate out the real parts and the imaginary parts. We are taking addition of real parts separately and the imaginary parts separately. So we can take 2 plus 3 by 2i plus minus 5 plus 7 by 4i is equals to real parts 2 minus 5 plus 3 by 2 plus 7 by 4, and the I is taken common. So we can take gain z1 plus z2 is equals to minus 3 plus 13 by 4i.
Now we are going to discuss about geometric interpretation of subtraction of complex number. Let P and Q represent two complex numbers as shown in the figure, such that z1 is equals to x1 plus I y1 and z2 is equals to x2 plus I y2. Let Q dash be the negative of complex number Q. represented by minus Z2 and formed by producing OQ to OQ dash. Now we complete the parallelogram OPRQ dash. Therefore, OR represents the sum of the complex number P and Q dash such that Z1 minus Z2 is equal to Z1 plus of minus of Z2. Let us consider one example. Subtract Z1 is equals to 3 by 4 minus 7 by 3i from Z2 is equals to minus 5 by 3 plus 11 by 5i. So Z2 minus Z1 is equals to this. Now we are going to subtract real part of Z1 from Z2 and imaginary part of Z1 from that of imaginary part of Z2. And we get the final answer as minus 29 by 12 plus 68 by 15i.
Geometric interpretation of products of complex number. Let P, Q represents the complex numbers. Z1 is equals to x1 plus iy1. The Q represents Z2 complex number and the P represents the Z1. Z1 is equals to x1 plus iy1, and in polar form the complex number represented as r1 is equals to cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1, and Z2 is equals to x2 plus iy2 is equals to r2 cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Cutoff of OA is equals to 1 along x-axis is given. Construct triangle ORQ on OQ. We have to construct the angle ORQ by joining OR similar to triangle OAP, so that OR upon OP is equals to OQ upon OA, and OR upon OP is equals to OQ upon 1, because OA is given as the 1, and thus OR is equals to OP dot OQ is equals to R1 into R2. Angle XOR is equals to angle AOQ plus angle QOR is equals to theta 1 plus theta 2. Here is given theta 1 plus theta 2 is equals to angle AOQ plus angle QOR. Hence the product of two complex numbers Z1 and Z2 is represented by the point R, such that first mod of Z1 dot Z2 is equals to mod of Z1 dot mod of Z2. Second, arguments of Z1 dot Z2 is equals to arguments of Z1 plus arguments of Z2. We are considering one example. Z1 is equals to twice e to the power I 5 pi by 6, and the Z2 is equals to e to the power I pi by 3. We are to finding the multiplication of two complex numbers. First we multiplying the coefficients R1 is equals to and R2 is equals to 1. We are getting multiplying the coefficients 2 into 1 is equals to 2. We are comparing the imaginary terms with EI theta. Then theta 1 is equals to 5 pi by 6, and the theta 2 is equals to pi by 3. Now we are adding theta 1 and theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2 is equals to 5 pi by 6 plus 5 pi by 3 is equals to 7 pi by 6. Z1 dot Z2 is equals to R1 dot R2 into e theta 1 e to the power theta 1 plus theta 2. It is equals to 2 into e to the power I 7 pi by 6, and this is the final answer.
Lastly, we are going to discuss about geometric interpretation of division of complex number. Let P and Q represents the complex number as shown in the figure, such that Z1 is equals to x1 plus iy1, which is equal to r1 in bracket cos of theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. This is the polar form representation of complex number. Z2 is equals to x2 plus iy2, which is equal to r2 in bracket cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Now we join P and Q. Now construct triangle ORA such that OA is equals to 1 along the axis OX. we get triangle OAR similar to triangle OQP. Now, by the property of similar triangles, we have OR upon OP is equal to OA upon OQ. We get OR upon OP is equal to 1 upon OQ. We have OA is equals to 1. Now, OR is equal to OP upon OQ, which is equals to R1 upon R2. In the figure, we have angle AOR equal to angle QOP, which is equal to angle AOP minus angle AOQ, which is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Therefore, R represents the number R1 upon R2 in bracket cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 minus theta 2. Hence, the complex number Z1 upon Z2 is represented by the point R. From this, we get mod of quotient of complex number is equal to mod of Z1 upon mod of Z2, and argument of quotient of complex number is equal to argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2. Now let us consider an example. Divide 1 plus I by 3 plus 4I. Here we use rationalize method, that is, we will divide and multiply this quantity by conjugate of the denominator. So 1 plus I upon 3 plus 4I into 3 minus 4I upon 3 minus 4I. By solving this, we get 1 plus I upon 3 plus 4I is equal to 7 by 25 minus 1 upon 25I.